3 Insurance Review 2023, Pros, Cons, Alternatives. 3 provides broad business insurance coverage in a single policy. It's a Berkshire Hathaway brand. 3 is one of Berkshire Hathaway's business insurance brands. What sets 3 apart is that it aims to provide all the coverage small business owners need in just a single, 3-page policy, hence the brand name. 3's policy includes many of the same protections you'd find in a traditional business owner's policy, like general liability and commercial property coverage. But 3 also includes commercial auto insurance, cybersecurity insurance, and workers' compensation, which most insurance companies sell as separate policies. 3 Insurance Pros and Cons. Pros. A single policy provides coverage that you'd normally need several insurance policies to get. Provides some coverage that is normally excluded, like coverage for property damage caused by flooding. Licensed insurance agents are available to help you shop and manage your policy. Cons. Limited online features. Only available in 23 states as of this writing. What does 3 Insurance cover? 3 sells only one business insurance policy. You can view a sample of it on 3's website. The policy includes the following types of coverage. Business property insurance, including coverage for theft, damage to property your business owns or rents, and business interruption insurance. General liability insurance, plus liquor liability coverage. Professional liability insurance. Directors and officers insurance. Commercial auto insurance. Cybersecurity insurance, including data and system review and recovery services, data breach notification services, and credit monitoring. Workers' compensation insurance in compliance with state requirements.